let me give you a little background on Sugino. The history, we started over 80 years ago. I believe it was 1936 in Japan. Rinpei Sugino, our founder, started it with a tube cleaner that he made for old boilers, marine boilers, for that industry in Japan. Fast forward about 40 years and we opened our first office in the US. We were doing some light manufacturing in Schaumburg in the past. Now we've got our headquarters is based out of Itasca outside of Chicago. You're here in Wixom. This is our tech center where we test all our high pressure water and washing applications.
Sugino's been around for 80 plus years. They started back, I think roughly back in 1936. With that, it actually started with the Sugino, the name, and actually his nephew's running it now. With that history, they actually started with tube cleaners. Tube cleaners are for cooling systems is where they started. With the history, we've actually gone all the way from that to machining centers, all the way up to water jets, and that's where we're at with the JCC. It's a combination of that, using the CNC controls to actually get repeatable, consistent results for each and every customer. That's where we've gone.